If you're one of my students, why are you watching this video instead of asking me how to do this? In this channel I have been uploading things that I know about photography and videography, but I also know about programming. And in this video I'm going to show you the basics of programming. A programming language is pretty much the language that the computers speak. There are many languages out there. There is binary, Python, JavaScript, C, C++, C++, and many other C's. In this video I'm going to show you the basics of the Python programming language, starting by downloading Python. Go to visualstudio.com and download this program for your computer. After you have done this, you should have a screen like this. We're then going to go to extensions and download Python. Here is where your first lesson starts. We're going to close the welcome tab and create a new file for Python. Alright, let's start coding. This is called a function. It's composed of the name of the function and an opening and a closing parentheses. There are many functions, but we are going to only focus on print. This is the output function. This is used to display information. You'll know what I mean in a second. This one is called a string. To keep it simple, it's just text. We can use this together by putting the string inside the two parentheses of the function, and with that we will be able to display information. There's going to be a play button in the top right side of the screen, and when you press it when you have an unsaved file, it will ask you to name the file. After you have named it, all the times that you press the button, it will run your code. Below it should appear the terminal, where you're gonna see your code being executed. And this is what I meant by displaying code. You can also do this with numbers. The one without decimals are called integers. The one with a decimal, even if the decimal is a 0, it's called a float. You can also save this information into placeholders called variables. Whichever data you made it equal to, it will be now its value. Try to name them according to the type of information that they are holding. Then if you print the variable, in the terminal you'll see printed the value of the variable, not the variable itself. You can create as many variables as you want, and you can print them together using the plus symbol, which is called a concatenation. In this example I used strings, but you can also do it with integers and floats. When you add integers or floats together, you will get the mathematical result. You can also subtract them using the dash symbol, multiply them using the asterisk, and divide them using the slash symbol. You might have noticed that the result is a float, even though the result of the division is a whole number. That's because before the operation takes place, the numbers will be turned into floats, and then the operation is going to take place. Hope you have found this video useful, and if you want to keep seeing videos about programming, subscribe, give us a like, and I'll see you in the next video. And until then, I hope you have a good day.